can.
Then mess up my eyebrow again.
No, I can mess up your eyebrow.
Then I mess up my
Whiskers? You're kind of messing them up because you keep touching them. Thank goodness we didn't put a beard on.
beard.
Beard? You're so silly. All I have to do is act like I'm busting up laughing and you'll start busting up laughing. That's funny. You're getting over my shirt. You're faking. Stop wiping your face.
Sorry.
Crazy boy. You got paint on your face. You can't wipe it. You're forcing a laugh. Oh my goodness.
Hey, let's do the 3 little piggies and Big Bad Wolf.
Want to play?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.